Very good morning, Emirates 30 Yankee Super, we're at, on the ILS, runway 23.
Emirates 30 Yankee Super Tower, good evening, morning, number 1, runway 23, wind 290 at 10, departing traffic, continue.
Roger, continue on the Emirates 30 Yankee.
I understand you'll be stopping on the runway?
Yeah, that's quite possible. We're going to aim to vacate on the high speed, but it's possible. Emirates 30 Yankee.
Emirates 30 Yankee Super, traffic is rolling, wind 290 10, gust 15, clear to land, runway 23.
Roger, clear land, runway 23, Emirates 30 Yankee.
China 602, contact departure 128.8.
Yeah, 602, have a good day.
As well. Emirates 30 Yankee Super, are you able to exit Hotel 4 and join Hotel?
We can certainly vacate Hotel 4. Not sure if we'll be able to do the full turn, but we can get off the runway for you.
Emirates 30 Yankee Super, contact ground 121.65.
Roger, 121.65, Emirates 30 Yankee, thank you.
Emirates 30 Yankee, are you doing your reset there, or are you just ready to taxi in?
30.
Okay, no problem. Just let me know whenever you're ready for further.
Roger that, we're stopping at